Currently here back in London. We're near Regent's Park. This is where the Airbnb is. I spotted a couple cars going down this way. I saw an FF and a Huracan. All right, Uber Eats just delivered. Just got my salted caramel popcorn milkshake. Got a chicken burger, some fries, and look how bad this internet here is at the Airbnb. It's 0.71 megabytes per second upload, 2.69 download. Once again, I'm tethering on my cell phone using my SIM card and my data that I probably will run out. But don't worry, the video will be uploaded in a couple hours. All right, YouTube's all sorted out. Gonna meet my buddy Indy Diddly Doodly, Anytime Spy. He's gonna be picking me up. We're gonna head to Central London, baby. There it is, guys, the fake Lamborghini Murcielago. Do you know how many people in the comments were like, no, it's a real Lamborghini. You don't know what you're talking about. I'm telling you guys, it's freaking fake. There we go. There it is. Hello. All right, guys, we're here in Central London. We made it. We got the Zagato Volante. You can't really see it. It's really dark, but it's red. What if I turn on night vision? What will happen? There you go. You can sort of see it, but it looks like shit. It's all green now. But I did see a coupe version of this earlier this year. I can't remember when, but it was somewhere in London. Just take my word for it. Oh yeah, Kuwaiti 355. What is that doing here?
Qatari Bentayga.
Oh. That's a Qatari plate, 1983.
Yep.
And there's a dog right there. Let's zoom in on that. Yeah. Dog spot.
Is that RS5?
It is a new Audi RS5, and it looks terrible. Check out this display. They got dudes on skis. What if someone just like steals one?
Right.
That's pretty cool.
You can be that someone today.
I can be that someone today. The infamous Dorchester right here. And what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Oh, nothing. A 570 and a Rolls Royce, but no Nasser Al-Thani. White GT3 RS with Qatari plates. All right, that's it. I'm good. Let's go. Hold on, guys. We got a second GT3 RS.
Hey, look at that as well, behind it.
Oh, hello. Is that a Miami blue?
Yep.
It's a nice color. Very nice
Dubai
color.
plates on the too.
Dubai plates on this Super Safari. Yes. Well, I can tell you guys already that this is infinitely better than Paris, or spotting in Paris. No, actually, London is I would say it's a higher tier city. There's less trash on the roads are more paved, there's less cobblestone, the cars are better. Yeah, less homeless people. I mean, now we're rolling, guys. It doesn't smell. There you go. We got a GT3 and the Aventador. We got a couple F-boys, but I don't know what's going on. This guy's looking at me, he's like, is that guy a YouTuber? You're correct. It is another Qatari GT3 RS. That's the third one in literally 5 minutes. I think. Look, there's another one. Is that the same one or is it a different one?
Different one.
It's a different one. What the hell? That's 4 GT3 RSs in like 10 minutes. There you guys have it. Spotty in London, baby. We're coming up on a 5th GT3 RS. This one's Bahraini.
Nope, Qatari.
Qatari. Sorry. It's another Qatar GT3 RS. Very nice color. I think Nasser has picked up a sneaky yellow Fiat 500, but he's left his P1 out front. Oi, mate, it's not in race mode. Hold on, guys, I spoke too soon. There's quite a bit of trash here on the side of the road. God damn, I feel like I'm back in Paris. At least it doesn't smell that bad. Yeah, there's Abdul's GT3 RS, we got the Maserati, and of course, Nasser Al-Thani's beautiful P1 with the blue interior and trim. Check that out, guys. Of course, got the Qatari plates, but it's not in race mode. What's going on? Of course, you got the beautiful rhinoceros from Samer Halemeh. Yeah. There you guys have it. Solid lineup here. Cool Qataris. I've misspoken. This is not our buddy Abdullah's car. It's another GT3 RS. So, good lord. There's been what, 4, 5, or 6 that we'll be seeing. Solid lineup here at the Bulgari Hotel. It's the final night I'm here in Europe. I'm back to the States tomorrow. And this man is staring at me in a very strange manner. I'm just gonna walk the other way. Of course, you got the Rolls Royce right over there. Just vlogging to myself in the rain in the UK weather, baby. That's what I do. Anyways, like I said, back to the US tomorrow, and we got quite quite a few things lined up for 2018, so stay tuned for that, guys. Now, there is a 1/18 scale model car of Masters P1. Oh, he's got a parking ticket. Apparently, he's parked in the double yellow right over here, but it's by Auto Art, 1/18 scale, but the problem is it's matte white, not gloss white. Zoom in on that, just standard black 488. Of course, Sloan Street is just completely packed here. What time is it right now? It's 7:30 p.m. Check out that Gucci display. It's a whole family of just, oh my goodness. We got a couple spotters here, guys. Sloan Street, baby. Here we go. He looks well stunned by the very loud 488 that's making a lot of noise up there. Whoa, 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 he just ran. Yeah. Now we're rolling. All right, guys, we're in the thick of Sloan Street traffic. This dude just walked up to us, handed his business card. Swag Supercars. You got yourself a shout out. Wait, it's not focusing. Wait. Respect. Respect.
Probably the same one.
Oh, it's the same one?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry guys. I thought we had a new GT3 RS. It is not. I apologize. It's raining pretty hard in the UK here, but we got a Saudi 720S. Oh, a Speciale, yeah. Arabs are out in force. They've abandoned Beverly Hills and all come to London. Seems we are in quite the pickle here. What's going on?
You want to go or not?
Is this guy? Oh, what the? Now he's flashing us.
Why is he going that way?
What the? Ooh, it's a tight squeeze.
Not for us.
Not for us, but for the Huracan in front of us. What do we got? Liberty Walk, Aventador. Oh, there it is. Through the gate. Wait. There you go, you can sort of see it. Bravis G-Wagon G800. Well, nice. We've managed to hop into an underground garage that's across from my Airbnb. We've got a special surprise for you guys on the right. Bam. Huh. What color is that? I can't even...
Today.
No idea.
Can't see.
Huh, okay. And we got a Dodge Viper right over there. Yeah. All right, that is the end of today's vlog. Quick run through London, central London. Saw quite a few cars. Definitely better than Los Angeles. Definitely better than Paris. It's still raining a little bit, so we're gonna hop in the Airbnb and it's time to pack up, guys. We gotta go home. There it is, guys. Second time's a charm. No, third time's a charm. There it is. Goddamn fake Murcielago. You guys gotta believe me. It was like, what, MR2, Toyota MR2 chassis, yeah.
So, yeah.
That's right. That's right, guys.